Today I got some sweets from Frida's Cafe and Bakery. If you're from the Largo, Clearwater area, you should know about this bakery. But if you don't know about this bakery, I'm going to put the address in the title, description, whatever it's called. I'm going to put it in there. So if you guys want to go check it out, you can check it out for yourself. But today I got an apple fritter. I got a Boston cream puff. It's basically a Boston cream donut. So we're going to get right into it. That bit was good. This is the best bakery in the Clearwater Largo area, but if you've never tried it, you need to go try it. Those were so good. Like I said, y'all need to go check it out. I'm gonna put the address down in the title of the video, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.